ourselves, Dylan and Fiona. You're better for the shooting immersion. Well, please have your seat.
Okay.
The competition has 3 rounds with the upgrade rules. First, ONU challenge. Second, SLP interface product challenge. The last one, OLT showdown. Okay, now each round winner scores 1 point, and the ultimate champion will win a shiny Traffic Plus, our latest Wi-Fi 6 ONU.
Come on, come on.
Okay, come on, I must beat you.
Okay, now let's start the first one, our ONU challenge. First, let's give the blindfold.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, are you ready?
Ready, I'm ready.
Okay,
Come on, come on, come on.
the blindfold.
Okay. Woo! So start. Okay.
Okay, listen. 1, 2, 3, begin.
Okay. Small size. 4 antennas. I think this one is HSGQ on you. Let me check. Whoa. Power supply. Or switch. Lamp ports 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 4 lamp ports. Whoa, and this one? Voice port. I think this one must be the HSGQ Wi-Fi 6 on you. HSGQ 410AX, right?
Yes, bingo. Button, just one.
Yeah!
Congratulations. Okay, now let's start the second one, the SLP interface products challenge.
Okay, come on.
Fiona, Violet.
Okay.
Listen, 1, 2, 3, go!
Okay. No, it's one interface here.
Oh, I know. Expert Orange stick. AC connector.
Yes, yeah.
Oh, you're so fast.
Okay.
I still touch this interface. Oh,
Thank you.
Oh no.